my glam fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this peachy rose gold makeup tutorial, and it's actually for Valentine's Day. I'm hoping to post it before Valentine's Day. Just in case I cannot, then this is going after Valentine's Day. But then again, we have date night all year long, so we don't exactly need Valentine's Day to have date nights, right girlies? Yes, you're right. Alrighty. Anyways, so yeah, I came up with this look. I used the Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette. I really love this palette. Well, it's Colourpop, so anything Colourpop, I am absolutely in for it. Anyways, you guys, I'm not gonna ramble anymore, and without a further ado, if you guys want to see how I achieved this rose goldy peachy look, just keep on watching. So let's jump right in. I'm going to start off with the color Shooting Star, and I'm going to apply that color as a transition on my crease. Now I'm taking the color Spark, mostly focusing on my outer V. Then I'm going to mix Potion and Spark and kind of deepen my outer V as well. Then I'm going back to the color Shooting Star and kind of softening up all the transitions so that all the color blend in together, but still looks different. Now I'm taking the color Twinkle and applying it right in the center of my lid. Then I'm taking the color Sweet Dreams and focusing on my inner corner. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm using my usual NYX matte liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Moving on to face, I'm starting off with my Guerlain Allure Gold Primer. As you can see, I love that primer so much, I'm running out of it. Now I am going to apply my concealer, and it's the Colourpop concealer. Absolutely love it. Worth every penny, and it's not even that expensive. For foundation, I'm using today my MAC Studio Water Weight, and I'm going to mix it up with my Farsali Unicorn Essence. It gives a very natural glowy look. It looks like your skin looks fresh and awakened, and I love this. This is my everyday routine. For contouring, I'm using today my NYX Wonder Stick in Deep. So I'm going for a very subtle and simple contouring, so I'm just doing a very straight line and blending it in. And if you are watching me looking on the side, I'm watching Bob's Burger. I don't know why I never watched that show. It's amazing. For bronzer, I'm using today my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Radiant Bronze. Again, I'm watching Bob's Burger. So for blush, I'm using the Sephora Contour Blush Palette, and I'm taking the shimmery peachy and the golden color, blending those in. If you have a medium to tan skin tone, this palette is your best friend. For highlighter, I'm using my Colourpop Gimme More highlighting palette, and I'm mixing up the peachy highlight and the golden highlight. I underestimated the palette, and I'm really happy that this palette came through. I'm taking a little bit in my ring finger and just applying it at the bridge of my nose. To set my under eye concealer, I'm using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting powder in Diffused Heat. For lipstick, I'm using today the new Colourpop and Kathleen Light's collaboration. The shade is called Dreamy. This is pretty much the second product I'm using from the same collaboration. I just wanted to enhance the lip color a little more, so I went in with my Bumble Lippie pencil to give it a contoured look. To set everything up, I'm using my Colourpop Rose Quartz Makeup Setting Spray. So there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And also, if you love this video enough and you know this video will be helpful for somebody, do not forget to share, because the more you share, the more it grows, and the more you share, the more you love, the more I grow. So I hope you guys are in it to win it. I hope you guys are going to be a part of my glittery glam fam. Anyways, you guys, hugs and kisses from my heart to yours. And if this video is going up before Valentine's Day, then happy Valentine's Day. If you're single, then and spending that with your girlfriend or boyfriends, then happy Galentine or Valentine's Day. But other than that, enjoy while you can. Alrighty, till I'll see you next time on the video. Bye bye.